Hey beautifuls, it's Tiffany here. Welcome back to my channel, Living Beautifully. If you're new here, welcome, and please consider clicking that subscribe button. We would love to have you as a part of the beautiful crew. So some of you guys know that I recently moved into a new space, and with the new space comes new stuff. So I bought this Serta Futon off of Amazon. I think it's the Serta Reine, and that was the box that it comes in. And this is what it looks like. So I thought it would be perfect for a den that I'm trying to make into a bedroom. So the good thing about this is that the Serta is convertible, as you'll see. So this is exactly how it comes out of the box. It's pretty much all put together. The only thing that you have to do is to put the legs on. And if you see that little zipper right there, that is where all of your tools are stored. I purchased this on Amazon and I saw a lot of comments that said that they didn't know where the tools were, they didn't know where the legs were, so it was just sitting on the floor. But yeah, they have a note in the box that lets you know that the toolbox is underneath in the zippered compartment. And I guess that could be storage for something later on, I don't know what, but hey, it can be put to good use. So this is the box here. This is the toolbox. You have your legs and the tools. And you have the slanted legs that go in the front and the round legs that go in the back. This is the instruction manual here. It shows you all the things that come in the box as well. Your hardware and the tools. And then you go into your different steps. So we already completed step 1 by taking the toolbox out of the zippered compartment. And then step 2 is to begin installing the legs on the front. Step 3 is where you put the back legs on. And step 4, you're pretty much done. So you can see how easy setup can be. And if you need help, that's the assistance number there. So here I go, trying to install it, and that package was like the hardest thing. It was hard to open, but anyway, I got it. And then what you do is just use the washer and the screw, and you go ahead and put that in there, and you can use the tool to screw them in. The package also comes along with the tool. I forget what the name of that tool is, and you just screw it in there. Now the slanted side, as you'll see later on, that gets to be a little more difficult to screw in on that side there, because the tool you can't rotate it 360. So I pretty much just use my fingers after a while, as you'll see later. The other side, that side there, that's pretty easy. And as you see, I have my wonderful assistant with me. Yeah, right there, I was like, forget it. You know what? I'm just going to use my fingers, because it just gets really tight there, and you can't, like I said, rotate the tool. So just use your fingers. So now I'm on the back legs there, and at first I had a little difficulty with the first one. It would not turn for anything. I don't know. I think it was something wrong with it. Yeah, so after I was like, forget it, I'll just use the other one and see if that works. If not, then there's a problem. But then there's a little technique that I use to turn it on there. You just turn it on lightly and then you can get it. That one went on absolutely easily. The other one, it took some effort. I wanted to make sure it was good and tight. So then I went ahead and put the other one on the other side. It still gave me difficulty. As you can see, it was a little bit out of place or a little warped, but I just pushed it back in, and I don't know if that's what helped it or not, but after doing that and using the little light twisting technique on it, I was able to get it on there. Alright, so after that, it's done. This is easy setup, exactly what I was looking for. I really didn't want anything that I had to put together, so this was perfect. As you can see the size of it, I'm about, I guess, 5'7", 5'6", I don't know. So you see later, it could be a little longer, but for this space it fits perfectly. But for sleeping, I would prefer it to be a little longer. And the cost of this was not bad at all. They range between $150 and $200 on Amazon. I had to have the blue because blue are my colors in my place. That was $204 on Amazon. And you can see I can stretch out on it. It's pretty comfortable. It is firm, but I like firm, so. And that's one of the settings. So you can lay it all the way back. You can put it here at this level. And if you want to pull it up a little bit higher than that, there you go. And like I said, to me it's pretty comfortable. I liked it. And there is enough space for temporary sleeping, I believe. I don't think I would want to sleep on it every night. But it's good for your overnight guests that are temporary, and it works, and she likes it. So here's another quick view of it. And see, it fits in that space perfectly. So it's a perfect size for a den or a guest room. And as of now, I've had it for about a few days now. I give it 2 beautiful thumbs up. I like it. So far I didn't notice any problems with it. You have to get the hang of pulling it forward and then back in order to adjust it. But I think it's a really nice sofa, especially for the price and for small spaces. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and continue to live beautifully. Bye everyone.